Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Merging cells is a useful feature that allows you to combine multiple cells into one larger cell. This is especially helpful when creating titles, headings, or organized sections in a spreadsheet. In this example, we have a simple sales report with product, region, and sales information. We have also added a title called Sales Report 2026. First, select the cells that you want to merge. In this example, we are selecting the cells from A1 to C1, where our title is located. After selecting the cells, go to the Format menu at the top of Google Sheets. From the Format menu, find the Merge Cells option. Move your cursor over this option to see the available merge choices. Now, select Merge All. Google Sheets will combine all of the selected cells into one single larger cell. As you can see, the cells from A1 to C1 are now merged together, and the title Sales Report 2026 appears in one larger cell across the selected area. This makes the title look cleaner and helps organize the spreadsheet more professionally. You can use merged cells for report titles, section headings, labels, and other important information that you want to display across multiple columns. Remember to select the cells first, then go to Format, choose Merge Cells and select Merge All, and that's how you can merge cells in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials and technology guides. See you in the next video.